What's good, everyone? This is Chris Hayes, and we are here at 519 8th Street. We're going to show you around this beautiful home, and let's just go deep dive into it, all right? So this is the home right here. This home has been completely remodeled. Everything is brand new. You think of it, you name it, it's brand new. All right. And so this one is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2-car garage, 2,700 square feet. And let's go ahead and take a deep dive into it. All right. As soon as you walk in, you have the closets. Oh, let me close the door. You have the closets for your coats, jackets, and everything. Look over here. I love the paint to match with the hardwood floors, laminate hardwood floors. Man. Super wonderful. So you got all these windows here for natural light. So you don't even really need these lights on that much. And look how open this floor plan is. Goodness. I'll just take you through. We're gonna see the entire thing. Got the quartz countertops. Definitely Long Island with the stove in the island. Then right there. Amazing. Definitely a nice backsplash. Little modern, but beautiful. Stainless steel appliances here and here. Microwave right there. So you don't have to put a microwave on any countertop, which is a plus. All right, so you got your pantry closet right there. Just open it for you, just for you to take a quick look. There you go. And then the price of this home is $850,000. For 2,700 square feet, that is really, really good. And we're in Alkali Flats, part of Midtown downtown. So there's a whole lot of things coming up that are being built. So like the Major League Soccer Stadium and the rail yards is being built. So I gotta take you more for the backsplash right here. Kaiser has some new buildings coming up. And you're so close to, the Golden One Arena that's already been built. And it's amazing. So you guys take a look at that. You got your bathroom. Reason why the light is off is because it's time sensitive. Everything's just been redone. Look at the backsplash with that. New mirror, new light fixture. I love these stone tile floors. This right here is another closet. Oh, excuse me. This is the downstairs area. I'll take you through. This is another living area. This could be definitely the man cave if you like, or your wind down. Definitely do that. Right over here, you got your other full bathroom. Look at that. Look at the black finishes, yo. Super nice. It really goes good. The contrast of those colors works so well for me. And you got your concrete counter for the sink. New light fixture and everything. It's amazing. And then you got your 2-car extended garage. Super big. New water heater right there. And you also have another closet for more storage. So it's just plenty of storage, and you'll see more of the storage of what I'm talking about throughout. All right, gonna come back in. I'm gonna take a look at the backyard as well. This is already down here. I'll lock that bad boy. The backyard is small, so it's low maintenance. Not have to worry about doing too much. You see it over here as well. you go. AC unit is new. Don't have to worry about that. And it's huge enough to cool down the entire home. Now, a lot of the older ACs, they weren't built for the direct size of the home. So you'll see like a smaller AC unit with a home that's like 1,800, 1,900 square feet. It doesn't even cool down the whole house. So glad that is there. All right. And now we can go upstairs. All right. So I sound a little winded because I've been going up some stairs. If you guys do not like stairs, you probably would not like this house, but I don't mind it at all. I am a little winded, but that is cool with me because I need the exercise. All right. Now we're going to go upstairs to where all the bedrooms are at. I like this myself. Super like paint on the walls. So you take this left, you got your long hallway. Got another closet here for you. There you go. You even have a separate desk area, another one with some more closets. Take a look at those. Soft close too, watch. Nice. All right. You got another bathroom right here. Same style as the one downstairs, just different mirrors. Back over here, you've got your washer and dryer area, more closets, more cabinets, excuse me. All right. Got your bedroom right here. 3 windows, a lot of natural light. With the big closet. Your other bedroom right here, just one. Window wasn't too bad. With a big enough closet, walk-in closet. All right. And going back down this hallway, you've got the master bedroom right here. So much natural light for this place, it's really nice. Let's take you through the ensuite. Ooh, it is so nice. So we've got the Jack and Jill sinks right over here. I'm trying to keep my head steady, forgive me. With the stone tile. Look at this bathtub though. Man, that is so clean. With the backsplash. I don't take baths, but I'll wait for this. Man, because it looks like you put some Epsom salt in there and just have a nice hour bath when you had a long day at work. Once again, black trim. So on the solid glass, and then the subway tile. Well, it's big subway tile in the back for the shower. So that's what we got for that. And I almost forgot about the master closet. Look how big this is. So much things for storage. There you go. Hang stuff up right there, all along through right here, all along through right here. Got a ladder in here for some reason, but that's okay. You get the idea. More hanging, more hanging, more hanging. And yeah. Look, I don't know about you guys, but I think I love this home. And you know what? Matter of fact, just let me know in the comments of what you think. Like, was the price too much, or does it fit correctly with 2,700 square feet? Everything remodeled, redone, open floor plan. I love it. I love it. But yeah, it was good seeing y'all. Good talking to y'all. Good showing y'all these places. Stay tuned for some more. And I'm going to holler at y'all later. And I'm going to talk to y'all later. I'm going to see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.